Hello, in lecture number 5 of diode and their application series, these are some outlines of lecture number 5. First one is the what is the rectifier, second one types of rectifier, third one half wave rectifier, fourth one advantages, disadvantages and applications of rectifier. Now we will study the what is the meaning of rectifier. Rectifier is an electronic device use one or more than one diodes. Basically, rectifier is used to conversion of alternating current AC into direct current DC. Third one, it is used for rectification where convert AC into DC. There are two types of rectifier, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier use only one diode. Half wave rectifier use only one diode, and full wave rectifier are again classified into two types, center type rectifier and bridge rectifier. Center type rectifier use two diodes and bridge rectifiers use four diodes. Center type rectifier use two diodes and bridge rectifiers use four diodes. So rectifier is an electronic device that is made up of one or more than one diodes, is nothing but one diode or more than one diodes. Need of rectifier. Every electronic circuit such as amplifier needs a DC power supply for its operations. This voltage has to be obtained from AC supply. Rectifier converts AC into pulsating DC. Basically, the example of need of rectification is that your battery charger, mobile charger, this battery charge mobile charger is nothing but convert AC supply into DC supply. This as well as your laptop charger convert AC signal into DC supply, because in laptop there is a give DC supply as well as mobile D- give to DC supply, but battery charger and mobile charger as well as laptop chargers converts this AC supply into DC supply. For that purpose rectifier is used, because rectifier convert AC into DC. Now we will study the first rectifier is the half wave rectifier. First rectifier is the half wave rectifier, a type of rectifier that converts only the half cycle of the alternating current AC into direct current DC is known as half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier is the simplest of them all as it is composed of only a single diode. Basically, the half wave, this one is the construction diagram of half wave rectifier. In this construction diagram, AC source is nothing but AC source is generated from the transformer. AC source is generated from the transformer. In this circuit diagram, it consists into AC source, diode and load resistance RL. AC source, diode and load resistors RL. Construction. The circuit diagram of half wave rectifier is as shown in figure. The half wave rectifier consists into single diode, load resistance RL and AC source is nothing but transformer. Now working of half wave rectifier. Working of half wave rectifier is basically consist into two parts, positive half cycle and negative half cycle. See here, basically diode is used to current flow in only one direction, is nothing but forward bias. Here the load resistance RL is connected, here the load resistance RL is connected in series with the diode. First one, during the positive half cycle, during the positive half cycle this A is during the positive half cycle, this is the circuit diagram of positive half cycle. This one is the circuit diagram of positive half cycle. During the positive half cycle, during the positive half cycle, this A is positive with respect to B. A is positive with respect to B. Then this anode terminal is positive and cathode terminal is negative. So positive terminal of anode is connected to positive and negative terminal of anode is connected to negative. So during the positive half cycle, the diode terminal anode will become positive and cathode will become negative, known as forward bias, and it will allow the positive cycle to flow through. It will allow the positive half cycle to flow through. This one is the regular cycle. In this regular cycle, positive cycle, diode only for the positive cycles, because of diode is working as a forward bias, and in forward bias diode is acts as a closed switch, and due to this closed switch current flowing through the circuitry and output is taken across load resistance RL is like this. Second one, during the negative half cycle, this A is negative with respect to B. This A is negative with respect to B. So this negative A is negative with respect to B. This one is the anode terminal. Anode terminal having a positive charge, cathode terminal having a negative charge. So positive is connected to negative and this negative is connected to positive. So diode is acts as a reverse bias. Here diode is acts as a reverse bias. So during the negative half cycle, anode become negative and cathode become positive. Anode become negative and cathode become positive, which is known as reverse bias. And in reverse bias, diode is acts as a open switch, so there is no current flowing through the circuit. There is no current flowing through the circuit. Again, during the positive half cycle, diode is acts as a forward bias, so output is taken across load resistance RL. During the negative half cycle, diode is acts as a reverse bias, so there is no current flowing through the circuit. During the positive half cycle, diode is acts as a forward bias, so there is current flowing through the circuit. During the negative half cycle, diode is acts as a reverse bias, so there is no current flowing through the circuit, and in this way output is taken across load resistance RL. Here conclusion is that half wave rectifier only work during the positive half cycle, it not work for negative half cycle. The output of rectifier is taken across the load resistance RL. And if we look at the input to output graph, it shows the pulsating positive cycle of the input. Only positive cycles of the inputs are present, negative cycles are absent. So this is the construction and working of half wave rectifier. These are some advantages and disadvantages of half wave rectifier. Advantages of a half wave rectifier: simple construction, small size, only one diode is required. Disadvantages is that low DC output voltage, low DC output current, low rectification efficiency, and ripple factor is high. And basically rectifier is application is that rectifier is used to conversion of AC into DC. If any queries related to this lecture, then you will ask me.